Thank you very much. So how many people in Connecticut are really at risk of after having received the J&J vaccine? According to the governor's office today, as of yesterday, 96,621 J&J doses had been administered. It's a small amount overall when compared to the more than 2.4 million total doses here in Connecticut. Johnson & Johnson only makes up 4% of the shots given out so far in our state.
And now people who are scheduled to get the J&J vaccine are wondering what this means for them and whether they will need to change their appointment. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Mike Savino asked vaccine providers what you should do. He is joining us live with what we need to know. Mike.
Substitute one of the other vaccines if they have the supply, or they can postpone those appointments for now. So if you were scheduled to get the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, it's best to contact your provider before making a decision.
We've had people calling today and asking some questions, and so we're giving them the best guidance that we can.
The United Way's call center receiving a ton of calls today from people who were scheduled to get the Johnson & Johnson COVID vaccine. Connecticut has suspended the usage of the vaccine, and people want to know what it means for them.
Providers across the state are going to do their best to honor standing appointments with a different vaccine.
United Way of Connecticut President and CEO Lisa Tepper Bates says people should first check with their vaccine provider. Many are substituting one of the other vaccines, Pfizer or Moderna. People can also reschedule if they choose. Bates says it's too early to tell what this will mean for appointment availability over the next week.
It'll be interesting. This will have some ramifications for the stock of Pfizer and Moderna.
Hartford Healthcare says they primarily use doses of Johnson & Johnson vaccine for certain patients, like those in the hospital or with mobile clinics. But at stationary clinics, they used Pfizer or Moderna.
For us, it is not causing any significant disruption in our vaccination program.
And if you were supposed to get the Johnson & Johnson vaccine and you want to reschedule, you can do so by contacting your provider directly or by calling the United Way, the number on the bottom of your screen, 877-918-2224. Live from the newsroom, Mike Savino, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.